and love, everyone. Thanks for stopping by to check out my video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I slayed on a budget. That's right, I slayed on a budget. I use my iPhone to do the most phenomenal photo shoot with this beautiful jumpsuit that I got for 20 bucks last year. So stay tuned to the video to see how I pulled it off.
Most beautiful thing that you ever seen is even bigger than what we think it means. Reflections in our bloodstreams. It's even bigger than. I woke up in this. I woke up in this. In my skin. I can't wash it away, so you can't take it from me.
Okay, beautiful beings, these are some of the photos I was able to take with my iPhone with just a small tripod and a couple of lights. I think I was able to capture some pretty phenomenal photos. It was quite easy, and I just used the timer function on my phone in order to snap the poses. I just hit the button, got in front of the camera, and slayed my black girl magic all over the screen. By the way, I found this jumpsuit at Rue 21 for, I think it was $21.99 last year. And I think it was on sale. I got some percentage off. So I literally slayed this photo shoot for 20 bucks. I decided to use an app to alter some of the backgrounds to give me a variety of different looks. I still need to work on some of my editing skills, but this was the first time I've ever used this app, and I think they turned out pretty decent. There are plenty of apps in the App Store for both Android users and iOS device holders to download to be able to edit their photos like that. The one that I use is called Facetune. I'm not promoting them or anything, that's just the one that I happen to use, and it was free. So all in all, it's really about the angles and how you position the lights, and it's just trial and error. You take a couple of photos, take a look at them, see how they look, go back, readjust, and try again.
Ooh, what's deeper than, what's deeper than...
Wait. Again, if you're not following or subscribed, please do. And if you like the content that I give and you would like to know more and get more content like this in more detail and know how you too can achieve these things, then please also subscribe, follow, like, comment. Tell me what you want to see and let's make it happen. Let's shine. Let's do positive things together. Let's grow. Peace and love. Thanks for watching. Cue the music.
Ooh, what's deeper than the darkest, best kept secret beneath the surface we could let it bring us together, or it could tear us apart. Oh, I'm filled with it. I got a love with no conditions, though it's hard to re-envision time and time again. Even when it didn't matter anymore. The most beautiful thing that you ever seen is even bigger than what we think it means. Reflections in our bloodstreams. It's even bigger than.